This dog's extraordinary actions were caught on CCTV, showcasing incredible quick thinking and heroism. The cord of an electric scooter starts smoldering, and no humans are around to notice. The dog spots the danger, and without missing a beat, it jumps into action. The dog approaches the burning cord and, with a sense of urgency, begins to pull at the plug. With relentless effort, the dog manages to unplug the cord, averting what could have been a disastrous electrical fire. His quick thinking and bold action saved the day, protecting his family and home. This isn't just a smart dog, he's a furry guardian angel.